Velos. Today, I'll show how to download and install Minecraft PE mods on iPhone or iPad. Okay? Search for Minecraft mods for your version. Let's look for a search, right? Go to any site like this one and choose the mod you want, like this one. Next, click download. It's downloading, let's get it. Then go to downloads and just open it. Now the game import begins. I've already got it, so it's a duplicate. See, it'll download, then hit play to enable it. Next, click Create New World. Create New World. Here, choose Resource Packs. As you can see, we have Ahmed, here it is. Click Activate, go here, hit Activate. There, now the mod is working. That's all. This was Valor, like and subscribe. Have a good one, bye everyone.